There's so many people that have the same passion. We all just get together like a family. My favorite thing to do in my truck, to meet people, you know? My name is Rafael Martin. I'm the vice president of the Bulls Truck Club. When people normally want to join a club, it's because they have the same passion.
We all love to do the same thing.
It's like a family, second family. Friends, barbecues, get-togethers.
My name's Christian Chavez. I've always been a fan of trucks. We jump off ideas off each other. When I got my sticker, it felt like being part of a team.
I am Jackie Diaz. My truck is a 2022 Ford F-150.
My name's Jonathan. I drive a 21 F-150 XL. It's just amazing.
Well, when I first got it, I mean, it was already nice as it was, but seeing everybody else's modifications to it spiked my interest.
My dream Ford truck.
Like, what's next?
It's the F-150 Lobo, ready for the streets.
I like how it's a street-ready truck. You can just drive it off the lot.
What's better than a V8? That new grille makes it definitely more aggressive.
Dual exhaust in the back.
I like how it has the ground appearance package.
The whole front end, it just makes the whole truck look mean, like a Lobo.